Say hi. Say hi. Say bye-bye. 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 Girl, on period. Yeah, mommy did that. Yeah, get into it. Her sleepy. Yeah. Pretty girl. So, I just left Target. I don't know if you see the store behind me. And I spent $556 in Target. I don't think she gave me the right change. Anyway, hold on. $560. I spent $597. I don't know how much. I can tell you in a second. At Target. Oh shit. My bad. So I spent roughly $559.97 at Target. And here's the bags. I bought mostly my daughter some stuff, toys, and I got new hair supplies because like my hair's dry. Everybody was looking at me like I was crazy when I was in there, and I wanted to record, but then it was like, do I really want to record? Everybody like sit there and watch me. There's already watching me put everything in my cart, like, oh, she can't afford it, or, you know. And then when I gave the lady the money, she like scanned the highlighter across, and it was nothing but 20s, but she scanned the highlighter across the money that I gave her, and I was just like, well, okay. So today I'm just going to take you guys with me. It's the 4th of July. I don't really celebrate it. I'm more Juneteenth, period, and always will be. But I'm going to take you guys with me. I'm going to unbag everything or do one of those unboxing video thingies because they're always fun. When I get home, then I'm going to get the baby dressed so we can go swimming at my mom's. My mom got like a swimming pool at a hotel room. So, yeah, that's just basically the plans for today. I need to get over. That's basically the plans for today. I'm going to go home. When I get home, I'm basically going to show you guys everything I bought. I even bought this big ass thing of Pampers. I shouldn't have bought because her dad could have got it for her. Maybe he spent my hard-earned money. That's not. He gave me hush money. Because let me tell you guys what happened. I'm driving and I feel like venting about it because I don't have any friends. So I'm just going to tell the fucking internet. Nobody really watches my videos except for like 2 people. So it doesn't really matter. But basically, this man was like, mind you, he's 50 damn near. I'm 27. So this man gets mad, tried to pick a fight the whole time because he wanted to go to the strip club. And I'm like, all right, cool. Go to the strip club, have fun, turn up, shake some ass for some cash. Throw that money, you know, don't be out here and embarrass me. You think he listened? No, the man embarrassed me. And he really, really, really embarrassed himself because at the end of the day, in the beginning of the week, it was like, anyway, he goes out and he gets fucking shit-faced wasted, right? So he comes home stumbling, and he smells like another female. Like his what is it called? His clothes, you know, his mouth, like his hands, everything smelled like he just got done having sexual relations in a strip club with somebody else. You know what I mean? So he comes in and my sister had a guy there and they was in the bathroom and he got mad that my sister brought somebody over because his daughter lives there and whatever. Mind you, that was my friend that came over, but I had to like play it off because like, sir, you wasn't gonna catch me, but I always get my lick back. Like, I'm not a cheater. I'm a Pisces. I'm not a cheater. I'm just gonna elaborate on that. I don't know if you guys can hear me over this AC, but I can't turn it down because I'm sweating. I'm not a cheater, but I've been with this man for like 3 years now, and in the 3 years that we've been together, it's always, you know, like him cheating on me, and it's just so much that I can take, you know what I mean? And when I have financially, but you're not supporting me emotionally. You're not supporting me how I need sexually. And I get that he's like older than me, and I understand, like, you know, but it's like, if you're gonna go out and you want to experience other females, we need to just be in an open relationship, because at the end of the day, the beginning of the week, you're gonna do you and I'm gonna do me. I'm gonna do me even better. Like, I'm gonna show you how it's done. You know, you're not gonna catch me, but I catch you every time you do it, which is crazy. Oh wow, oh wow, that's really the hood. This is the hood, y'all. I do not fuck with this place. You will not catch me dead in this place. This is very much the hood. So yeah, anyway, yesterday he comes home and, damn, ADHD. Oh no, okay. Anyway, sorry. Yesterday he comes home, 2 o'clock in the morning. My sister and her friend's in the bathroom, who was actually my friend, but they was in the bathroom together. And because he came home early, and I thought he was gonna be home like later, because usually when he goes to the strip club, he doesn't come home until like 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. All of a sudden he came home at 2 o'clock, and I think it's because like the neighbors probably told him. I don't fucking know. Haters. And yeah, he came home. Me and him get into an argument because he told me to come upstairs, and I'm like, no, I don't feel like coming upstairs right now. He's like, come upstairs. I said, no, I'm talking to my sister, like, relax. He's like, if you don't come upstairs, then you're gonna have to get out. And I was like, you know what, at this point, because he always threatens to put me out, and I'm like, if you understood the law, you would know this is my residency. I live here, I reside here, this is what's on my driver's license. You can't put me out. Every time he told me to get out, I would just pack my stuff and leave, because I'm not about to sit here and argue with you, and you're not about to ruin my day. But yesterday I had time, and it was 3 o'clock in the morning. You want me to pack my daughter up and get out the house? I'm not doing that, because you thought you caught me cheating, and you didn't catch me. You didn't catch me. You did not catch me. You didn't catch me. You didn't catch me. You didn't catch me, boo. I'm too slick. Like, when I tell you, I am a reflection of how you treat me. If he was to treat me good and be good to me, I've been loyal to this man for 2 years. 2 years. Like, it's about time I go outside. It's about time I have fun. He's so mad that I go out every weekend. And it's not even every weekend. I go out once a week. And it's on the weekend. Anyway, so yeah, he was basically very upset. He told me to get out. He ends up calling the cops. And when the cops got there, the cops told him, like, she can't go anywhere. This is her residency. He made it seem like he was scared for his life. It was a domestic dispute and blah, blah, blah. A bunch of bullshit. Like, when I tell you, there was so much bullshit that he was telling these police officers. Mind you, he is drunk. He was so fucking drunk. He was so drunk. And it was just so embarrassing, because it's like, you're doing all this in front of my sister. My sister's company already left. Like, you just embarrassed me, sir. So then this morning he felt bad because of what he did, and he gave me $600 to go shopping with, and my dumb ass spent the whole $600, which I shouldn't have done. I should have definitely, like, I don't know, I don't think I should have spent all the money, but oh well. I'm gonna see if he's gonna give me money for the rest of the week. He probably isn't, because he just gave me that much money, and my dumb ass spent it. But I wanted to go shopping so bad, and then like Target had sales. And then I forgot, on Sundays you go shopping for babies because it's half off, or there's like big sales for babies on Sundays or Mondays or something. But they have 4th of July sales, and I don't celebrate 4th of July, reparations, but at least y'all gave me something, reparations, once again. So I'm almost home. I'm gonna unbox everything. Sorry I ranted to you guys, and you know, I don't even think anybody's going to listen to me or like really view my videos, but I'm trying to become like a content creator, and my problem is I'm not consistent. I get bored and I'm like, all right, but I'm gonna video record the whole 4th of July, my whole day, everything that I do, turn up. All right, bye. BRB. Okay.
How does she? You go for?
I don't know, a couple of 2 hours almost. So they have these teething rooms. She's gonna sleep for a little minute. This is for your sister's baby. Put that on the floor. It's for my baby. I love you like no otter. Too cute, pun intended. But then she needed more of this, the Aquaphor. That's one bag. And then I got a bunch of clothes in this one. I think this one might be, because I got your sister newborns and 0 to 3 months, because her baby looks tiny. And then these little cute little head thingies. We need to get a bag to put it in though. Newborn. But she's gonna take some time before she can fit that. 12 months, this is baby girls. This is baby girls. Baby girls. I should not went shopping. This is what, newborns, 12 months. Okay. Then they have these cute little booties, like too cute. These are for your sister. And these are newborn socks. This is for your sister. This is for her too. I got the baby these cute little booties. Wait, I don't know. Yeah, 0 to 3 months. For your sister. This is for me. I didn't get you anything now. Love you still. It's for your sister. And for your sister. Well, holy shit. How much shit did I get for your sister? A lot.
That's like working, it was 300.
Yeah, but then I spent a lot on your sister. On her baby. But that's only because your sister's nice to me. This one's for my baby. That was my budget. I said I was going to spend $300 and I was going to keep the other $3 for the week. But then once I went in there and I seen all the sales that they had, I was like, it's over. It's. So I got me and my baby. Say hi, booby. She can't talk yet because she's almost 1. She'll be 1 August 6th, like in a month. My baby's gonna be 1. Oh my gosh. Changed into my cute little bathing suit. I'm on my way to go pick up my sister. Yes, the sister who had the guy in the bathroom. Oh, there she is. I'm on my way to go pick her up, and then we're gonna go to the pool. Gonna go have fun with my mommy in the pool. I feel like it's about to be a whole good time, a whole good vibe. I'm like so excited. So I'm gonna take you guys along the way. I keep saying that, but make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I don't have a job and I'm broke and I need the money. I'm broke and I need the money. So make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys like, make sure you guys comment what I can change, what I can do better, what I can do different, you know, help a bitch out, help a bitch out. Yeah, I hope you know I'm not coming inside. He not in there with a bitch, he's in there with a bull. I picked up my sister. We're on our way to the pool because mommy rented a room.
It's time to go swimming.
Yeah, I'm trying to get the baby.
It's time to dive in.
Whoa. So we're gonna be, I don't know what just happened. I feel like I had like a baby stroke. I ain't gonna hold you, but I'm going to be letting you guys know what we get into. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because I only have like, subscribers. All right, bye. Oh, my face look nasty.
my phone. They keep dying.
I do too. Say hi, Mom.
Hey.
Say hi.
I'm black.
Hey.
Yo.
Me and my rules.
I'm gonna punch him in his eye.
Everything.
He's doing, I'm black.
Everything is black. We already black.
Right here.
I'm out here in Miami. That song is stuck in my head.
I'm cracking that.
Where the food at? All right, I'm gonna get off. He said you could get out too. I said, oop.
We should eat with y'all too.
Who put us both
arguing with
out?
him.
He put us all out. We're gonna go see the
fireworks.
fireworks.
On that rave. You watch rave, you what?
We're gonna go see the
I
fireworks.
don't know, but
Even if my name was Natalie, then you better still come to check me. This one's off the same?
No.
Oh, they shooting! Oh, they shooting, booby. Y'all got my baby butt out. You got her whole booty butt out.
there you go. It's covered. Stick.
Ugh. I look pregnant. You look right in, girl. Sorry. I'm sorry. I love you. I love you so much. I love you so much. I promise. It's all love. It's always. Ma. Ooh. That was nice. That was cute. You cannot have Mama's booby right now, booby.
Well, Mercedes says it's alright, so.
Want me to spit on it?
And there. To get Junior. Oh, I see them.
That's Kirby Park over there.
The big ones down there. Mom. Ma. Ask me about what she put your passy, booby. Ask me about what she put your passy. Look, mamas. You see? They're pretty. Oh. Yeah, she was like enjoying the fireworks. Yeah, it was very pretty.
Yeah, it was real nice.
You did a great job. That was awesome. Love that for them. There's too many bugs for me.
Park right there.
That was amazing. He did a great job. Go him. All right, that's too much for me though. It's time to go. It's time to go, booby. She was not paying them fireworks no mind.
She liked them.
She wasn't paying them no mind. You know, smoking weed. Let me hit him. Let me hit him. Let me hit him blood. Let me hit him blood.
Yeah, because you be breastfeeding.
You right. I was talking shit. I don't smoke weed. Mom, you wanna go? You know, why are you touching me? Don't damn good well. I do not like being touched, lady. No, don't touch me, creeper.
That's Zuri.
Don't touch. That was you.
That's Zuri. She like me touched you.
They did.
Like,
Glass.
I gotta go in glass.
they go take our security time.
20% off your denture care.
Zuri.
Whether you need a new
Zuri bug.
or quick fix, you can celebrate with a smile
Hey,
all season.
hey.
Always at Aspen Dental. Book today.
Mamas. Oh, you all up in.
Give me some.
All up in.
Give me some, dog.
Hey, booby.
Yo, get in there. Yo, get in there.
She will get in that pocketbook.
She don't know zippers yet.
Holy, y'all said I gotta watch motherfuckers fire with the rain. Look.
95% of women
You
have
got a whole lot of
visible
fireworks.
skin.
Come on, let's
Skin is so much more protected. See the difference with Olay.
Oh, look at that. You ain't see it, Bubba?
No, I'm over the fireworks.
300 degrees.
It was too loud and they stink.
That's because they was right there, right by that shit started shooting everywhere.
I don't even celebrate the 4th. Yeah, I don't celebrate the 4th. I celebrate Juneteenth.
So next year before Juneteenth, we gonna go get a whole bunch of fireworks in Virginia?
Virginia.
We gonna do that, right?
Virginia, that's like 6 hours.
That's where you get the good shit from. You ain't even gotta go all the way to Virginia. You go right on the outskirts of Pennsylvania.
They
I gotta do
And
my
they got
hair.
this big place. They got this big warehouse. They ain't got nothing but fireworks. That's where I was selling fireworks. That's where I got them from. And I had M80s and all that good stuff.
That shit was packed the last couple of days. That shit was
Oh yeah, now that shit around the corner got bullshit ass motherfucking
that
fireworks.
shit was packed.
The one in Richmond, they ain't got nothing on the way. Well, listen, I'm telling you, I was out there selling fireworks. I'll buy a big thing of fireworks for $100.
Junior, open the door.
Yeah.
Thank you, baby.
Remember we said we was gonna go, and I ain't never go.
My baby, did y'all notice? My baby's gonna have to be like, I'm black, you know, and then she's gonna have to pull a picture out and say, this is my mom. You notice that?
First of all, her hairstylist is gonna tell her she black.
Yeah, but you know, like when they go to school and they're gonna be like, oh, why you acting black? You Mexican? Because your last name's Regards. They're gonna be like, my mom's black. This is my mom. You know, like I got one of those babies.
When her hair is combed and you braid it up like that, they gonna be like, oh yeah, come on, black.
Times and changed now, boy.
Come on, black.
Be like that.
Junior gotta announce that he black. He was like, I'm black.
And
He
eggs,
don't care where
baby.
he at.
And
You
eggs.
want no drink? Give me, man. Skin.
Come go up down.
Let me tell you how this nigga go in the store.
I'm not chewing.
He go in the store to get gas, okay? He come out with 2 pockets full of shit.
They have me waiting in line.
He was stealing.
He had to go.
Waiting in line.
He was stealing.
We go to Tannersville. When we come outside, we see 50,000 come like, oh shit, they come for you. Every store we went into, we picked up something. Every store.
No, we can't go shopping together. He gonna have my anxiety skits it. He gonna have me. I be outside. What happened yesterday? Mom, the basement door was up. I said, George trying to kill us.
Yo, what I tell you, Mom? Mom, it's okay.
You wasn't supposed to tell her, you told me.
Oh, well, duh. See, I knew she was going to tell you. I said, George is trying to kill us. I started skitzing out.
Look.
I called Mom skitzing
She went
out.
through so many different stages yesterday. You don't understand. Like that ass.
Mom understands.
No, but
I need to get on medication.
Listen, I seen it.
It's a bunch of personalities that I deal with, and I don't know how to cope with all of them.
Did you hear
But
So I be trying.
that wasn't a personality situation because it was understandable how you was feeling at that point in time.
It was a different one because I don't even like the next day we gotta tell each other what happened. You feel me? Like it's a lot of us. That's not a lot of us. It's only like 5, 6 of us.
You hear me on the phone tell us, Bridget, calm the fuck down.
It's only 5 because she wanted to go back to motherfucking wedding.
Windows off. Yeah,
You know?
that's Bridget.
And then the other one, I got a real sensitive. I got a lot of personality.
What's her name? I know Larry.
I don't have a Larry. I have a Kyle.
Kyle, that's his name. I said Larry.
I have Kyle, Mary Jane, Bridget, Bubbles, Quinae. Kyle's a dude. Yeah, I pull bitches.
Hello, baby.
See, don't do it because you're going to get cussed
What's
out.
that?
That's a mother. Oh, what's it called?
She can't eat that. That's sour.
Ain't that sour, baby? You don't like it. Right, baby, or no?
Look at face. Look at face. Wait, what?
Oh, you like that. Right?
Oh, yeah, I forgot. She got the Mexican one.
Wait, take it out.
She like that one. You like it or no? It good?
Nate, break it.
She like it. She like hot
That's
stuff.
it.
She like
It's on your
spicy.
hand. It's on side of you.
She like spicy ass food. She like spicy food. Good night. Did you give her any?
Yeah, she got the piece that she needed.
She broke the hand. She got a whole hand from the mouth.
You know the heck she don't because I was looking.
She got the head.
She got less than it. She got an ear.
She got.
She got an ear. Oh, she don't like that. She ain't like that.
We don't play.
She like spicy.
She said
Don't
that.
give my grandbaby not a spicy like that. Like that.
Baby, it's not that sour.
Let me see. Let me see.
She ain't make not a face eating it though. That was the thing for
Well, she
me.
freaking eats jalapeno peppers.
Yes, I'm gonna say Grenade was eating jalapeno peppers.
Straight.
She wanted something.
That
So
was
Grenade gave her
what
some.
ear.
And you know what she did?
She ate
Look,
it. She Mexican.
she ain't blink. She ain't flinch.
She was like,
I'm like, damn.
so he said, I'm Mexican. Mexican, not Mexican.
Who's that one?
Hurry up, hurry up.
I'm trying.
Don't give me hit. I asked for one, I stole 2 and then gave you half.
I don't like candy. I've been trying to get my teeth whitened naturally though, so I started gargling freaking
You gargling?
yeah.
Baking soda.
No, not baking soda.
You gargle brush baking soda, get your teeth together.
No. I brush with baking soda.
Brush with baking
But
soda.
it's
And the apple, I do.
coconut oil for 10 minutes. Then you brush your teeth and with baking soda, and it's supposed to like take the enamel off the first layer, and brighten your teeth up naturally.
I use a baking soda and a lemon.
I never tried with lemon.
You know how the lemon sizzle up? And I dip it in the toothpaste and I just brush it like that.
They got the new stuff. It's purple.
Whoa. You're not wearing gloves. You'll contaminate it. One of your hands for it. It's weird.
She ate the bitch straight.
You can't.
If I eat a couple, it's just like, alright, I got it.
Somebody do something.
Get it, mama.
He taking out for watching.
Trying to get the boobies.
Share it. I'm gonna bear from the share. I'm gonna fire.
All right, booby. All righty. Okay, mamas. Okay, mamas. Okay, mamas. I understand, and I'm so sorry. Mommy is so sorry she left you in the car. I know, booby. Mommy knows. Mommy get it. You're right. Where's Passy, booby? All right. Mommy's right. All right. Oops, sorry. Where is your Passy? All right, girlfriend. Ow, mommy hurt herself. Mommy gotta find you. What people say? I'm okay. You're okay, booby. You are alright, mamas. You're alright, booby. You're okay. Why are you crying? Why are you crying, mamas? Why are you crying? What happened? We was chilling all day. Booby. Now you want to start screaming. I go crazy. Why is there a trash bag on the porch? Your dad be doing too much. This is why he got skunks.